2024 had you all doing a merry jig when you saw differentiation from first principles. So it's just a procedural thing that they've really tried to get rid of the course. F of x plus h is equal to x plus h to be squared minus 7 times x plus h minus 10, which is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 7x minus 7h minus 10. If we write the answer for what the derivative is for f prime x, just so we can see the answer as we work our way down, it's going to be 2x minus 7. We know at this point we have to take away f of x. So f of x, we're going to have minus in front of it, so minus x squared plus 7x and plus 10. And if we combine this, we're going to get 2xh plus h squared minus 7h, and you can see our answer from the 2xh and the 7. And the limit will move h to 0. So this is f of x plus h minus f of x. Now, they will allow us to skip a stage here. If we just put them both over h, we're going to get on the left f of x plus h minus f of x over h is equal to 2x, I'll bring the 7 towards 2x minus 7 and then plus h, and the limit of this function as h tends to infinity is equal to, I won't write the function out again, 2x minus 7. So obviously if you've practiced this, it's giveaway marks. For part 2, for part B, we have the quotient rule, so differentiate both individually, 6 and 4x cubed. We're asked to find the value of the derivative when x is minus 2. So we always start on the bottom with the bottom squared. If you have been taught by me, x to the power 4 plus 3 to be squared. If you start with the bottom squared, it reminds you to start with the bottom on top, because of the minus sign in the middle of this, the order does matter, and we multiply that by the top, the derivative of the top, and then we have the top by the derivative of the bottom. And if we tidy this up, we're going to get 6x to the power 4 plus 18 minus 6x to the power 4 minus, should be 6, 4, 24x to the power 4, and then minus 4x cubed. Don't rush them like I'm doing here, over x to the power 4 plus 3 to be squared. We have then tidied up minus 18x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 18 over x to the power 4 plus 3 to be squared. So this is g of x, so g prime x, and then g prime 2 is equal to minus 18, calculator used from here, minus 4 by 2 cubed plus 18 over 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to be squared. So that's going to give 361 on the bottom because it's 19 squared. I'll just use the calculator for the top, and it's giving me minus 238. An odd looking number, but I think that's the right answer. And then C is a continuous function, so something like a cubic maybe, or a linear. I'll just sketch a cubic here because it's mentioning local minimum. So state where the following statement is true or false. The value of the function must be at least 5 for all real values of x, because it has a local minimum at the 0.05. Well, let's say that this is the 0.05 on my cubic. The value of h of x, so this is the y value here, y value must be at least 5. Well, if we have our y value as 5 here, it is climbing in this direction and in this direction, but with the continuous cubic it's going to come down lower. So I'm going to say false and explain what I've just shown in the diagram.